Welcome back to Autoscope. Chevrolet Motorhome 2026 design and platform. Given GM's plans to electrify, it is most likely based on an updated Chevrolet van platform or an electric vehicle of chassis. If it uses an EV platform, the outward design will most likely be more aerodynamic with a closed grille. The exterior design is expected to integrate Chevrolet's current body lines and iconic LED headlamps. It will most likely come in a variety of sizes and body shapes to accommodate a range of uses and interior design styles. Comfort and inside. The inside will most likely be designed with comfort and functionality in mind for long-distance travel and road life. With a flexible and modular internal layout, e.g., bed, kitchenette, eating room, storage area, owners can customize the space to suit their needs. You can expect modern interior design elements and high-quality materials. A comfortable bed, a kitchenette with a stove, refrigerator, and sink, a bathroom with a toilet and shower, and ingenious storage space are likely to be included. Examples of modern entertainment and connectivity systems include large touchscreens, smartphone integration, and enhanced internet access. Technology and safety, most likely equipped with automated braking, lane keeping assistance, lane departure warning, a rearview camera, and other active and passive safety features. More advanced driver aid features, such as adaptive cruise control, may also be available. You may control a number of RV amenities, including the entertainment system, lighting, and temperature, with the help of an app or central interface. Efficiency and performance. If internal combustion engines are still in use, it will most likely offer a robust and efficient engine substitute. If moving to an EV platform, the motorhome will be powered by an electric motor with a range that should be sufficient for longer trips. Infrastructure for charging and charging schedules will be crucial considerations.